Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is By Gosh Quilting. I'm starting a new channel because I've started a new hobby. It's quilting. I got into it very recently and just fell deeply in love, right down the rabbit hole. Probably been quilting or attempting to for about 3 months, and decided to start a channel because when I looked on YouTube, which I go to try to figure things out, there wasn't enough out there that helped me, an actual beginner. Like, I'm over 50 years old. I didn't think I'd ever learn how to do it. And there'll be a story time, one of the episodes, to just kind of explain how I got into it. I plan on uploading every Friday, and you'll see fabric hauls, what I'm working on, notion hauls, and I'll give a little information about my Windsor bee here. That was my grandma or my great-grandma's sewing machine, and haven't found any real good videos online about one of those either. And so yeah, just a lot of fun stuff. I'd like to kind of share with you what I'm doing, kind of the good, the bad, the ugly, and try to be really in-depth for anybody who's new to this and might be having issues, just the kind of stuff that I would have liked to have seen while I've been trying to learn and want to show you as well. So if you like this kind of content, please like, comment, subscribe. Again, I'll be trying to upload videos every Friday. If people like my content and the channel grows, I will upload more frequently. But yeah, just have a lot of fun stuff planned. Can't wait to get to know you all better, and hope I can entertain you, show you some tips, teach you some stuff, and just let you kind of watch my journey as I start from the beginning and move on in my quilting and sewing journey. Maybe we'll try clothes sometime. Not sure, but never say never. So until next time, thank you so much for watching, and please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Bye.